Hello and welcome to our class. In this class I'm going to show you guys how to swap characters in a scene. Let's say you already have a scene and you don't like what the character is wearing, or you want to swap the character altogether. This is how you do it. Scroll down and go to Kling 01. Okay, for Kling 01 we have text to video, reference to video, edit, bulk, and continue. Text to video is a regular text to video where you actually a prompt, then you don't even know what you're going to get. You get what you get, right? That's one way. The other one is reference. You add your reference, at least you know what you're going to get. You add your reference, then you add the prompt, and you end up generating a video for that. And you can swap the aspect ratio to whatever it is that you want. And you can also update the duration to 10 seconds. Okay? Then you've got the edit. Edit is where you actually edit video. You can add elements to the video, swap characters, all that good stuff. Bulk is where you have different VFX, different shots, like close-up, mid-shot, wide shot, top angle, whatever. And you want to change, let's say you have a car chase scene, but you have a car appearing in all 4 shots, and you want to swap the Mercedes-Benz car for a BMW car. You can just drop in all the videos and drop in one reference image, and all the images will be, all the videos with that Mercedes-Benz will be swapped with the BMW. So that's how you use this. We'll get to that later. This tab right here is short continuation. So you can add start and end frame. So it's going to start on one frame and end on another. And again, you can do up to 10 seconds, and you can generate 16 by 9, 9 by 16, 1, 1, 4, 3, and 21 by 9. You can just generate different formats. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to use the edit feature. Okay, I want to swap this character and add Iron Man instead of having this character. So let's just open this video. That's our video right here. It's 5 seconds. Then we're going to add reference image. Let's just go in and add that Iron Man image. Replace the character in this with image 1, then generate edit. So now we have replaced the character with Iron Man. And if we scroll down, you'll be able to see that we replaced that character with Iron Man. Then we can go in and download that and put it in our video. So that's how you do these things. Let's keep creating, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and bye.